Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you some method how you can easily SEO your video and give tag in your video. So giving tag is important for your video because if you want to rank your video in YouTube and you want to do SEO in your video, you must need to give your video tag. This is going to help you reach your video more and more. So in this video I am going to show you some method how you can easily give your video tag of any kind of video. So let's get started. First of all, I'm going to open my browser and now you can see this is a video title and description. So if you scroll down a little bit, you can see the text menu from here. You can add tag. So first I'm going to add tag by manually. What is meaning by manually? I'm just writing my tag to my related video. So what is my video title is how to make money on TikTok, a step by step guide. I'm going to type some text from my video title related. This is our first method. So I'm going to type some text from here. So this is our manual process. You can type to give some related text from your video title. So this is the first method. I'm going to show you the second method how you can easily copy and paste your video text. I'm going to close this. I'm going to delete it off. In a second, I'm going to YouTube and search my video title. You can see a lot of videos appearing here. So I'm going to select the most viewed video. So now you can see 11th must ever 1 year TikTok. So this is our most viewed video. You need to remember one thing. Look at our title from here. You also need to check the title from here is same or not. If it's same and most viewed video, you can take this title from this video. So now I'm going to this video and I just paused this video. And now you can see it's all this text. Now you can see this video text from here. I just simply copy there and copy to clipboard. You can copy video text. You can copy as you like one video or another video. I'm just simply paste here. Now I can copy text from another video. Just go this video. Now I'm just simply copy here, copy to clipboard. So now you can see VIQ score is update. Now you can see our VIQ score is higher than in past. So this is the second method. You can easily copy this video tag for a related video. Now I'm into the third method. In this method, you just need to copy your title from here and you need to paste this in your browser. I already pasted it. Now you can see from here how to make money on TikTok. So I'm just little bit scroll down from here. Now you can see some text from here. This is the tag people are searching in Google. You can also copy this from here and to delete this and you can paste here. In this method, you can simply copy and paste from your browser. If you find suitable or related tag from here, you can copy and paste this. If you don't find it, you don't need to paste your tag in your video. So in the last method, I'm going to show you how you can easily create your video tag with help of AI. So I'm just going to enter ChatGPT. Now I'm going to copy my video title. And I'm going to tell ChatGPT create some text for my video. Now you can see it's generating my text. I'm just copy from here and paste on my video. For copy, you can use Ctrl+C. So guys, I just copy all this text in my video. Now you can see our video queue is updating. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel.